guys, it's me, Annabella Rose, your expert dating coach from calmerlifestyles.com. Now today I'm talking about my ebook, How to Get Girls to Chase You. Are you always on the sidelines as people around you get the hottest girls in the room? Have you ever wondered what other men do to get the women of their dreams that you don't? Have you dealt with more rejections than you can handle? Is there an unspoken rule on how to attract women that you still haven't grasped? Gents, listen. It can be frustrating to see the woman you want slipping by you. It is even more frustrating to be friend-zoned by the woman that you like. So gents, what if you know all the strategies? What if you know all the techniques used to get girls to chase you? Yes, I can hear what you're saying. Yes, and it would make a huge difference. Well, count yourself lucky, because soon you'll have women that you want chasing you. Not just like you, but the Casanova type of chasing you. Are you ready to say your farewells to those sleepless nights because of being lonely? Gents, I tailored my ebook to make you a woman magnet. Like we always say, all men have the same chances with a woman. It's just that some have mastered the art a little bit more. I take you through a series of reinventing your character and attitude towards women and the various techniques that will help you reach the highest heights of your potential with women. In this book, I'm also covering what lures women to men and giving you a deeper insight on the female mindset. The question of ages, is it not? To know why you have always been there for her, why you've always had her back, you've been nice to her and bought her things. You may have even known her since you were this high, but she's still not attracted to you. But yet she's attracted to some jerk who doesn't even treat her right. So, what is it? What lures women to men? The answer is in our DNA, and it's something so simple that it would make you laugh. It's how you make us feel. Now, I know the thought that just popped into your head that was, well, obviously, or I already knew that. But yet you're still looking for answers. So, even though you know what the aim is, let me explain how to achieve it. Unlike men, women's attraction is solely emotional. We're not in control of who we like, and we don't actively choose. It's something innate to us, and it happens if you know to press the right button. The right woman for you won't remember what you bought them or where you took them for dinner, but how you made them feel whilst doing it. Although not all of us women want the same thing or behave in the same way, it's proven that when we think emotionally, we're attracted to men with some special traits. And we'll break it down for you in chapter 1, and you'll quickly understand how to get the girls to chase you. Heart to heart with a woman. Now, to win, you first need to understand your challenge. Get a woman's perspective on how women think. After lengthy research, experience, and interviews, I finally can take you through a woman's perspective on men and what makes them chase you and what they find attractive. The finest men know what a lady wants, and that makes the difference between an alpha male and a follower. Men struggle finding that spot that turns on a woman and turns the table around. Getting a woman to chase you is easy, but it's not for the faint-hearted. Most of you fail because your targets are in the wrong place. Before you shoot for my heart, try and capture my mind, and I'll show you directly how it works and what you can do. This will open up a whole new dimension that will put you at the top of your game and get the girls to chase you in a blink. Blossom from the shell, break out of everything that you believed regarding dating and relationships. Research shows that the halo effect is enough for a woman to decide whether you are a friend, a lover, or a creep. We also know when you fake it, which pretty much makes you look like a creep. My ebook, How to Get Girls to Chase You, has detailed techniques on how you can rebrand yourself and become a woman's magnet. Learn the tricks that will make you look sharp, attractive, and charismatic. That's not all. We don't shade off some skin without giving you a new shiny one. Get the hidden secrets that those alpha males use to get their score. Now you can dine with the kings. You will find all this information chapter by chapter. Become the prey. Now, I don't know any man in the world who would not love it when a woman chased him. Most men are the hunters, but What if there was a surefire way to make you a woman crave for you? What if all you did was stand there and look amazing and women fall for you? What if you had an abundance of opportunities with women? No more what if or, because I'll show you every single step to get girls to chase you, and you will learn techniques of how to increase your sex appeal and confidence when it comes to women. What you get at the end of reading How to Make a Woman Chase You. You become more confident with women. You know the approach techniques of approaching different types of women. You will know what lures women to men. Get a wide scope on women's psychology, on dating and relationships, and how to become an alpha male. You'll get increasing your success with women. Get her to chase you by not being a friend. Things that men don't know that turn women off. All the techniques to get her to chase you. Now, gents, I've covered many more topics in this ebook. Well, guys, thank you for watching my video. You can buy my ebook, How to Get Girls to Chase You, by clicking in the link below or clicking the card above. And it will take you to the page. All you have to do is scroll down and click the buy button. Once you complete the payment, the download link will be emailed to you, and instantly you can start reading in a blink. If you're already in the page already, just scroll down and you will see the buy buttons. Gents, some of the techniques will make her obsessed with you, so be careful and promise me you'll only use it with good intentions. I'm Annabella Rose, and I will see you next time.